Dear parents, all Paulites, and friends of St. Paul's School Darjeeling, wish you all a very happy Holi. This year onwards, we are also having a bit of Holi celebration in the senior wing, junior wing, as well as in the primary wing. It is one of the greatest festivals of India, and we are happy to celebrate this Holi along with you. Once again, a very happy and joyous Holi celebration to all of you. Thank you.
Greetings from the cinema studio desks to all the parents from all the staff of St. Paul's School, director, project on the happiest occasion. I extend warm greetings to all St. Paul's School family members and wishing each one of you the triumph of good over evil. May this year bring to each one of us in abundance great joy of happiness and love and prosperity. And may our lives spring forth as the day of Holi brings forth the multitude of color and its celebration. Happy Holi.
Hi, this is Mr. P. May each day of your lives be as colorful as the colors of the Holi itself. May this celebration of Holi strengthen and further our relationships for the betterment of those on the right hand. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish each one of you a very happy Holi.
As we celebrate the festival of colors, Holi, I wanted to take a moment to wish you and your family members a joyous and a vibrant Holi. May your homes be filled with laughter, with love, and cherished memories. Let's ensure that this Holi is filled with fun and merriment, and may we keep one another safe. Wishing you and your family members a vibrant and a joyous Holi.